Koyachen.
Wai bakal kain. Hana hastis qaiman chut.
Ta lot in hastis Koyaman chut. In hastis synconym. Han hastis synconym.
Lot in hastis sin qanim in hastis qaiman chut.
Oh, Koyaman chut.
Hoi in kunich.
Ah, boy. Hey na, 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 hey na.
Oh, Wai khal khalte pesnak selo. Taliken lemtken skits ol pachiap. Aha Knxcutens in silkchen nax. Isquis koyachen ol pixken hitam apanatas khal. Hello, good day, my relatives. I'm grateful to be here and I'm glad y'all showed up today too. This is the help tutorial for N1. Today's lesson is 12. What we do. Let's get started. Ahoy. Go and chow chint. Nkunim. Ha an haste sin kunim. Kaichel. Ki in hastes kaichel. Manochem. Lot in hastes manochem. Quilchin chut. Han hastes quilchin chut. Quaiman chut. Ki in hastes quaiman chut. Kolam. Lot in hastes kolam. Mams chut. Ha an hastes mams chut. Kram. Ki in hastes kram. Chukwilchum. Lot in hastes chukwilchum. Tzalachwenkum. Ha an hastes tzalachwenkum. Hastes chkulam pepes naxil kulapnach huiwe. Atzent pes plimchen ulku and chow chint. Nkunim. Ha an hastes nkunim. Kaichel. Ki in hastes kaichel. Manochem. Lot in hastes manochem. Quilchin chut. Ha an hastes quilchin chut. Quaiman chut. Ki in hastes quaiman chut. Kulam. Lot in hastes kulam. mamschut. Ha anchastes mamschut. Kram. Ki inchastes kram. Chuquilchum. Lot inchastes chuquilchum. Tzalchawenkam. Ha anchastes tzalchawenkam. Why hastes chkulam pipis naksil kutlapna pix my hitam down in now. All right, good job, you guys. Now I'm going to help you out just a little bit. In this lesson, inchast is the thing that I like. Anchast is the thing that you like. A lot of times we get confused with always saying inchamink, but also it's inchast. When you put the S on the verb, on the word, it becomes a verb. Ki inchast is synkunim. Inkunim is to sing. Synkunim becomes the action of singing. Ha anchasti synkunim. Do you like to sing? Ki inchasti synkunim. Remember, I am incha and you are anwe. In, an. These are the sounds of our language. Get familiar with them and keep practicing, and I know you're going to do great. Tali chastis shkulum pipis naksiluk ol ninuis et wigklamen. Waihi.